Just doing it again. Is my voice moving the camera? Because I feel like actually anyway, I want to attract awesome queens on my channel so we can talk about our skincare routine. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Tuesday! Today I'm going to be doing a skincare video routine. I'm going to be showing you guys what I do for my skincare routine, and you guys are going to tune in and it's going to be great, and you guys are going to be like, ooh, I like that, or ooh, that doesn't work for my skin. I'll be like, ooh, cool. Let's get into it. I have all the things I use right here. I'm more of an earthy person, so it's like I use a lot of like earthy stuff and natural stuff. You guys will see. This video was requested to me by Nicolette. I'm gonna put her at and stuff. It's gonna be great. And I'm gonna have it up online for you. So special shout out to Nicolette. Mwah. You guys know your skin more. So if some of the stuff that I see on here doesn't fly, then don't do it. If you know that you're allergic to something, don't do it, girl. Happy Tuesday, y'all. I hope you guys are having a great day. And let's get right into this video. Let me tell you what I do. What I do for the skin. Honestly, first of all, thank my parents. Jeez. If you know that you have like a skin problem, or if you know that you like suffer from a lot of acne, I'm not saying that putting aloe vera on your face is gonna work. That's not what I'm saying at all. It might help. I'm not a doctor, but I'm really smart. Just be smart about it. Okay, let's start the video. Let's start the video. First thing is first, my face. For my face, to wash my face, I don't use a particular I use the Dr. Bronner soap. I've also used black soap. It's good for your skin. It works for my skin. It makes my skin feel like very clean. And I love that. I make my own body scrub. Speaking of body scrubs, let me show you. This is my coffee scrub. I normally use it after I shower. It smells so good. So I have coconut oil in here, a lot of coffee grinds, Himalayan salt, and vanilla extract, because who doesn't want to smell like a vanilla latte? And you know what's funny? I use this scrub like when I'm about to go to bed. I don't think I've used it yet to start the day, which would make more sense because it smells like coffee, but I'm still able to sleep. Just throw on some lavender oil and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. I put too much coconut oil, which is not a problem, but if you want that like scrubby scrub effect, have the grinds be potent. I cannot ingest coffee though. It doesn't go right for me. If you know, you know. There are two types of people. People who can drink coffee and be fine, and people who drink coffee and they're not fine whatsoever at all. I'm like, I get so hyper. I can't drink coffee. Guys, you have to scrub the skin. This is my sapo. Sapo, for all my Ghana girls or African girls, y'all know this sponge gets you real good. It's generally I was literally talking about how it's hard for me to speak sometimes because I speak 3 different languages. So like in my head I'll be saying something in English and I think of the words in French or tree. Omotono or Ghana. There you go. Not only Ghana actually. I'm sure all parts of Africa, but Charlie, I've not been to all parts of Africa, so who am I to speak for that, right? If you can't handle this, get a loofah or whatever you need to do. Have something that scrubs off all that yuck, because Charlie, do you know what part people miss a lot on their body? Is like there are, what is this? Articulus tendon, atticus tendon. That part of your foot, I'm gonna lift my foot up right now. Soaps! I use Dr. Bronner. My favorite one is the almond one. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, but this is the lavender one and it smells so good. But the almond one smells, it just makes me feel clean. The peppermint one, if you're up for the task, try the peppermint. I like the way it makes my body feel tingly, but sometimes when I'm not ready, it just be stinging me in all the wrong places. So, you know what I'm saying? If you have a soap, and if you have something to scrub, if you have your sapo, get your sapo, go to Ghana, fly out to Ghana and go get a sponge. I'm kidding. You should be fine. I'm not saying that y'all have to get these specific things. No. That's what I use, so I also use black soap. I ran out of black soap, so I do not have black soap on me right now, but I normally have like a tub and I just use it. Also, there's another soap called Alata soap. It's like a yellowish, it's solid, and you can dilute it in water. And it has lemon, aloe vera, and shea butter in it. Alata soap makes me feel like the cleanest person ever. Y'all know me and my water. Me and my water. It's no joke. Ask anybody who personally knows me. I like give them like a whole preaching about water. I'm like, don't forget to drink water. Water, drink your water. I can't go a day without water because I feel so, first of all, dehydrated and I don't feel good. Hydrate. I don't care if you eat meat. I don't care if you eat whatever. I don't care. But add some greens and vegetables to that. Like, take some time out of your meat eating to eat a bowl of fruit. Eat some like natural, fresh produce because I think that it really helps with my skin. You do not need to be vegan to have good skin, baby. You don't. Have you ever cut open an avocado and you see it and it's like so radiant, like, ugh. Like, damn. You eat that, you eat multiple avocados, your skin is gonna start producing that effect because it's energy. Avocado energy, face energy. Boom. You know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Eat some fruit and vegetables. So this is my aloe plants. I do have other aloe plants. There is a bird just like chirping. It's behind it off. And I'm like, that's cool, but I'm filming. Thank you. It stopped. So what I do is, I don't do this mask often because I don't want to like kill off my plants, but I'll grab a huge thing of aloe, right? And I open it, I split it open and I put it on my face. Like a face mask, I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I take it off. I also use aloe for my hair. It's really good for 4C hair. So all my queens, you wanna get that moisture, aloe mask. Moisturizing. To moisturize, I use shea butter, cocoa butter, like raw shea butter, raw cocoa butter that smells like chocolate. Olive oil or coconut oil. I understand that it's hard to get access to raw shea butter and raw cocoa butter. I had my mama get it for me. But you know, like I ran out of it, so I use olive oil or coconut oil. Just use what Mother Nature gave you. Facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So what I did, I took some aloe. Girl, let me give you the tea. Let me give you the tea. I took some aloe, put some water, and shook it. And I use it on my body. Because aloe is the #1 ingredient. I have aloe. I'm like, let's test it out. But yeah, that's something that you can do, guys. We looking beautiful on a budget. Just get some fruit and drink some water and wash your face and just have a routine of cleaning your body. All right, what I use to moisturize my face? Cetaphil. I use Cetaphil. It's for sensitive skin, or it's for all skin types. It's very light and it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't have a potent smell. So I want to show you guys my plants. She's so cute. I mean, it's not a she, actually it's a he. I was just making sure she had water. I'm like, ooh. My aloe, my baby, my mama got this for me. Thank you, mama, I love you. Look at her, she's so pretty. Mama, you're so pretty. It says it's medicinal. Medicinal. I have to tell y'all a story about how I used aloe to cure a cut I had. Story time, let's rewind to when I was like 6, 7, or 8. Something around those years. When I was 6 years old, I was eating something at night and I was like, ooh, let me go into the kitchen because I need a spoon. I was lazy, didn't turn on the light, opened the drawer, reached in the drawer, and I was just like looking. And at that time, well, I was not looking, I was just like feeling around for a spoon. And at that time, we didn't have the dividers for our cutlery, so everything was in there just like nyama. Horizontal on top of each other, lopsided, everything was just on top of each other. We had this sharp knife. When I tell you that knife was sharp, it was sharp enough to like go through a sweet potato. And you know, sweet potatoes are hard. And it could cut yams very well. It was a sharp knife. So I'm over there like finagling my fingers or my hands in the drawer, looking and feeling out for a spoon. And let's say this is the knife, right? It's like right here. I'm looking and I slide my finger down. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that really hurts. And to get away from it, I didn't think it was vertical. It was vertical, so the knife was long. So I just kept sliding my finger out till I left it. Because I was trying to, it was just too much adrenaline. I didn't know what was going on. I was just like, ah! And then I look at my finger and it was this big cut, blood everywhere, already swollen. I was like, Mama, what do I do? And she goes, girl, let me tell you what to do. She said, aloe vera plant. And I was like, aloe vera plant? And she said, aloe vera plant. In my head, I was like, I highly doubt like this plant is gonna help me. It did. I put the aloe vera gel in there, wrapped it up, and the next day it was already healing. It doesn't sting. The aloe gel doesn't sting. Just letting you know. Put it on there and see what happens. I dare you. Oh, I didn't show you this plant. She is new. This is my newest family member. I texted my mom and I was like, look at your granddaughter. And she goes, at least you don't have to change diapers. I was like, word. Try these things out. This is what I do for my skincare routine. These are the steps I take. I guess steps, and these are the things I do. Scrub your body. Get the dirt off your body. I think that's how you're gonna get that glow. No, I know that's how you're gonna get that glow. I talked about moisturizing, right? Yes, coconut oil, whatever you gotta do. So that is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys benefit from it. And you know what? I hope you have a good day and have fun experimenting with things at your house. Do some research, see what you can do. It doesn't have to be complicated. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, Nicolette, for having me do this video and recommending it because I had fun filming it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy Tuesday. Enjoy your Tuesday. Tuesday is my day. I'm a banana. Happy a banana because I'm a banana. If you're a Ghana girl, you would understand. Okay. Bye, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.